If figuring out maternity leave feels harder than labor, forms, policies, and a dozen maybe answers, you're not the only one confused. In the next few minutes, I'll give you a simple step-by-step plan to confirm your FMLA eligibility, choose your dates, talk to HR without panic, and protect your job while you focus on recovery and your newborn. Quick win you can do today. Open your employee handbook or HR portal and search FMLA. Screenshot the policy page and write your 12-month look back date at the top. That date matters for the 1,250 hours rule and helps you talk to HR with confidence. Hi, I'm Cherry, a certified maternal and newborn nurse and your expert postpartum coach. Here's our roadmap. Who qualifies for FMLA and what it actually gives you. How to time your leave around birth and recovery, the exact email to send HR, how FMLA pairs with paid options and pumping rights, and red flags to avoid. Everything I mentioned, checklist, email templates, and a leave timeline is in one link, the free resource hub for career moms. It's free and organized for your frazzled mom brain. The link's below. What FMLA really gives you? If you're eligible, FMLA gives you up to 12 work weeks of unpaid, job-protected leave in 12 months for birth and bonding, plus continued group health coverage on the same terms as if you were working. Your employer must restore you to the same or an equivalent job at the end. Here's the eligibility basics. You've worked for your employer at least 12 months. Have 1,250 hours of service in the past 12 months, and your employer has 50 plus employees within 75 miles. Timing your leave. You can use FMLA to bond with your baby anytime in the first year after birth. Some parents use it a little before delivery for medical reasons, some right after, and some split the time later when childcare starts. Depending on your employer's leave year method, you may even straddle 2 leave years and get more calendar coverage. Ask your HR which method they use. Intermittent versus continuous. For bonding, intermittent leave, example, 1 day per week, generally requires employer approval. Continuous leave right after birth is usually straightforward. Confirm the rules in writing to ensure your manager and payroll align with expectations. Step-by-step plan. Let's go through the 6 steps to FMLA. Step 1. Confirm eligibility. 12 months, 1,250 hours, 50/75 tests. 50/75 tests means your employer must have at least 50 employees within a 75-mile radius of your work location. If you're new or part-time, calculate your hours with your timekeeping system. Step 2. Pick target dates. Due date plus recovery plan. Vaginal births often need 6 weeks. C-section often needs 8 or more. Your doctor's note guides the medical portion. Step 3. Email HR. I'm requesting FMLA for the birth of my child with an estimated start of, and then put your date. Please send me the required forms and let me know if you need medical certification. Or you can just pick up the phone and call them. Step 4. Medical certification if requested. Your OB doctor or midwife signs the form for prenatal complications or post-birth recovery. Step 5. Coordinate pay. Ask payroll which paid options can run concurrently with FMLA. For example, PTO, sick leave, short-term disability, and whether your state offers paid family leave. This is separate from federal FMLA. Step 6, obtain the approval letter and add deadlines to your calendar, including return to work date. Keep copies of everything. Pairing FMLA with paid time, FMLA itself is unpaid. But most employers allow you to stack pay sources, including PTO, sick time, short-term disability for medical recovery, and in some states, paid family leave. Ask, which paid benefits run concurrently with my FMLA? That one line prevents payroll surprises. Pumping rights at work. When you return, most workers are entitled to reasonable break time to pump each time needed for up to 1 year after birth, and a private space that is not a bathroom. Functional, shielded from view, free from intrusion. Your pumping plan should be included in your back to work email. The HR email you can copy. Hi, name. I'm requesting FMLA leave for the birth of my child. Estimated start, put the date in. Please confirm my eligibility, the employer's 12-month calculation method, and send any required forms. I plan to use PTO, short-term disability, state leave concurrently. After I return, I'll need pump breaks and a private space, as required by the federal law. Thank you. Red flags and fixes. Here are some red flags and fixes you need to know before you start your leave. First, silence from HR. Resend your email and CC your manager. Second, wrong dates in the letter. Ask for a corrected letter before your leave begins. And third, no pump space offered. Reply with the lost language and a proposed schedule. If needed, escalate politely. If you want the email template, your leave timeline, or a simple pump at work checklist, just type FMLA in the comments. I'll add all of it to the resource hub for career moms so you can download it anytime. Also, tell me what else is stressing you out before your baby comes. If I hear the same worry from other moms, I'll turn it into a future video to make your life easier. Now, you've got a clear leave plan. Next, watch this video. I'll help you create a realistic budget for baby's first year without the chaos, fluff, or influencer overload. Don't forget to grab all your templates, timelines, and quick win checklists. It's free and waiting for you, so click on the link below to get access to the resource hub for career moms. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to be here. The early weeks after birth are not easy, but they're not meant to be done alone or without guidance. If what you've heard today gave you something solid to work with, make sure to subscribe so we can keep building that support together. I'm Cherry, and I will see you in the next one.